What if getting rich had nothing to do with luck, or working 18-hour days, or finding the perfect investment? What if all it took was getting just 1% better every single day? It sounds too simple, but this tiny habit has quietly helped athletes, entrepreneurs, investors, and top performers build extraordinary results over time. Today, I'll show you why the 1% rule works, and how you can use it to improve your money, career, and life. What is the 1% rule? The 1% rule is simple. Instead of trying to completely change your life overnight, focus on improving by just 1% each day. 1% feels almost invisible. Reading 5 extra pages, saving a few dollars, learning one new skill, sending one more email, making one extra sales call. None of these actions seem life-changing on their own, but they don't stay small. They compound. Just like money earns interest, your habits earn results. Small improvements repeated consistently become massive advantages over time. Why most people fail? Most people want instant success. They start a business expecting quick profits. They go to the gym for a week expecting huge changes. They invest expecting overnight wealth. When results don't appear immediately, they quit. Successful people think differently. They don't chase quick wins, they build systems. Because they understand something powerful. Big success is usually thousands of tiny decisions stacked together. How to use the 1% rule with money. Want more money? Start small. Save a little every payday. Learn one new financial lesson each day. Read about investing for just 10 minutes. Track your spending. Avoid one unnecessary purchase. These tiny actions may not change your life this week, but after months and years, you'll have knowledge, discipline, and wealth that most people never build. Use it in your career. Imagine improving one work skill every day. Public speaking, writing, sales, negotiation, AI tools, communication. In 1 year, you'll be far more valuable than someone who stayed the same. Higher value usually leads to better opportunities, higher income, and more freedom. The secret most people miss. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is consistency. You don't have to be amazing today. You just have to become slightly better than yesterday. Some days you'll make bigger progress. Some days you'll barely move. That's okay. Never underestimate small steps taken consistently. Remember, your future isn't built in one day. It's built one decision at a time. Improve by just 1% today. Then do it again tomorrow. Months from now, you'll look back and realize you've become a completely different person. That's the power of the 1% rule. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe for more videos on building wealth and financial freedom, and tell me in the comments, what's one thing you'll improve by 1% today?